At Keller, our purpose is building the foundations for a sustainable future, and it is at the heart of everything we do. When we talk about sustainability, we're talking about 4 important pillars: people, planet, principles, and profitable projects. First and foremost, it's about people, our employees, their families, and the communities in which we work. This is operating in a way that respects our people, always striving for zero harm and leaving a positive legacy in the places we work. For our planet, we are focused on using fewer resources, reducing carbon emissions, and cutting down waste. For principles, we strive for good governance and ethical leadership. We believe that by focusing on people, planet, and principles, we can deliver even better solutions for our clients.
In APAC, we are embracing sustainability and the positive changes we see it bringing to our operations. In Singapore, we have a strong focus on lowering our carbon footprint through carbon analysis of every project. In Australia, we have a dedicated employee group driving to the cultural shift towards sustainability. And in India, our teams are leading when it comes to cutting emissions from electricity by taking the initiative to install solar panels at our offices and yards.
In Europe and the Middle East, we want to go beyond the requirements set forth by the EU and the UK. We want to be leaders in driving change. In Austria, we are taking it upon ourselves to assess where our carbon emissions are coming from on each project and actively working to reduce them. In Norway, we are trialling an electric drill rig so we can learn and prepare for the changing way our rigs will be powered. And in the UK, we've taken the opportunity of working on the sustainability-focused High-Speed Rail 2 project to evaluate how we can cut carbon emissions on our project, and we have shared that with the rest of our global operations.
In North America, we're ready to meet what I consider to be one of the greatest challenges of our time. We've selected key employees in each of our business units to drive the changes necessary to meet our targets and beyond. In the West, our focus is to use renewable diesel on as many projects as we can. Along the Gulf Coast, we're actively researching the best way to reduce embodied carbon within the materials we use. And in the South, we're proud to be building the foundations for a number of facilities that will manufacture the low-carbon, low-emission products of our future.
In our projects, we focus on safety, quality, productivity, and profitability. Making sustainability a priority provides us a fresh perspective on how we can become better as a company.
We are Keller. We are building the foundations for a sustainable future.